Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So how dope are these themes looking? I'm be giving you a very different special vibe. Like look at the neon one here, and then look at the subtle nude one here, and then we have the sporty theme. So this is all like so much creativity that you can do and show with the new software update of Apple. And this, I just feel that I can go on and on how wonderful the software update is. But before I get into the video on how you can create these amazing dope themes, just give a look at this beautiful look that is created by my sister. I'm so proud of her. She is a professional makeup artist. I'll be putting her Instagram handle below. Check her out if you haven't yet. And without further ado, let's jump on the video. Hey guys, so I went on creating these 3 really dope amazing themes on my iOS 14 update, and they are so cool. Like the nude one is the first theme that I created, which is obviously to give you a very calm and relaxed and very positive vibe. So I've used the words like stay grateful, and then I've used no bad days, which is of course from Pinterest. You could use your own images. I'll be telling you how you can put this this area where there's this, how do you include your own quotes and pictures. The second theme that I went on creating is the neon theme, which is personally one of my favorite theme. I'm calling it the High on Life neon theme. You can see at these symbols, they look so crazy, right? And then finally I went on creating this sporty theme, which is influenced by football, which is also one of my favorite game. So how do you go about creating these 3 wonderful themes? I'm going to give you an entire demonstration. So they're just basically, it's not a very tough process, but it does require at least 15 to 20 minutes of your time. So I think that much you can do if you want to have dope home screen. So yeah, let's begin. First thing that you have to know is about widgets, which is the Widgetsmith app that you'll have to download on your iPhone. And the second thing is how to create shortcuts so that you can give a custom picture on your icon area, right? So how do you go about doing the widgets? So I'll be doing it on my phone while you can see it on the side. So first you go about to your Widgetsmith app. The widget that you want to create can be small, medium or large. So I'll be showing you first how to create the calendar area. So for example, I've already had these 3 themes, right? So let me do the medium 4, right? So I'll be doing the medium 4, and then when you click on it, then you can go below and then add a photo, or you can also go with the normal background color. You can change the background color as I have chosen. So for the first one that I've chosen is a very nude one. So you can go over and choose whichever you like. That's how you can get that widget customization. Now the next thing that you can do is go on and just the screen that you want to create your widget at, just click. So for example, if I want to create a widget in this screen, then I'll have to put the plus sign, which is on the top left corner, and then I'll have to search for Widgetsmith. Search for the app Widgetsmith, and then choose my medium widget, right? And then just check the number of the calendar that you wanted to choose. So for example, if it's medium 4, then let it be medium 4, or whatever you've created. For example, medium 3 has the image, then you can do medium 3, and here you go. You have the big calendar, which you can also obviously put in the middle area. Now the next thing that is obviously about the icon. So how do you do that? Okay, so you go on to your shortcuts, and then there'll be a plus sign, which is on the top right corner. Add action. Then you have to, on the search area, you'll have to write open app. So we are basically creating a shortcut, and then choose the app. So for example, if it is Safari, right, so then let it be Safari, and then there'll be these 3 dots on the side. Then you have to go and you have to write it as add to home screen, and here is when you can change the name, and you can obviously have a custom made photo to it. So I'll be choosing, for example, this photo, and then just zooming it in, or like any photo that you like, and then maybe name it as clock, and then add it. It's done. Add it to your home screen. So here's the clock, and then you can move it around on any screen that you want. And you can also one of the very amazing features, you can also hide the screens, right? So I can just click on those three dots which are below, and then I can hide the screens that I don't want to see, right? So if I don't want to see this screen, I can just take or whatever and then just press done. The next amazing feature of iOS 14 is obviously the double tap and the triple tap. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. I hope you all felt this is useful. If there's anything that I can help you with in creating your home screen and having a great vibe when you open your phone, then do DM me personally. Love you all.